Having achieved remarkable growth in the second half of the 20th century, Japan has become the world's third largest economy. Japan has some of the world's most valuable companies and remains a source of global innovation and cultural trends. Japan is a technological powerhouse with immense financial strength. India-Japan relations have traditionally been very strong. Today, the India-Japan partnership can be described as one of the most rapidly advancing relationships in Asia. Japan has become the third largest investor in India, with Japanese companies rapidly expanding their footprints across the country. India's exports to Japan stood at $4.9 billion in 2018-19, making it one of India's largest export partners.
21वीं सदी एशिया की सदी है, लेकिन भारत और जापान के सहयोग के बिना 21वीं सदी एशिया की सदी नहीं हो सकती।
Endeavoring at expanding the India-Japan Association, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Japan in October 2018 signed 6 agreements, including on a high-speed rail project and naval cooperation. He spoke about how Japan is at the forefront of engaging in India's national initiatives such as Make in India, Skill India, Digital India and Startup India. Changing demographics as well as educational and occupational preferences present a great opportunity for India to supply technical talent to Japan. Meanwhile, the Indian government has been investing heavily in education, technical training and research and development. Today, India is one of the youngest nations in the world, where 65% of its youth is within the age group of 20 to 35 years. India's labour force in 2017 is expected to expand by 160 million by 2020. There is tremendous potential for India to meet this global demand of skilled workers. A Memorandum of Cooperation or MOC on TITP was signed on October 17, 2017 between the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India and the Ministry of Justice, Ministry of Labour, Health and Welfare, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Government of Japan. The MOC aims to transfer technical skills from Japan to India and facilitate the mobility of skilled labour from India to Japan in sectors with significant labour requirements.
Having young people from India get the work experience in Japan, I think will be a positive to both countries in promoting these types of projects in the future. The Japanese government is working hard to strengthen the bilateral partnership between India, and I am sure that the friendship and the partnership between our two countries will grow way into the future.
To make the Indian workforce truly dynamic and highly employable, the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship (MSDE) was set up in 2014 to coordinate all skill development efforts in the country. The National Skill Development Corporation or NSDC, an implementing body under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, was mandated to address the need for providing skilled manpower across various industry sectors. NSDC was also appointed by the Ministry as the implementing and monitoring agency for TITP in India. To train Indian youth on international standards and help fulfill skilled manpower requirements across the globe, NSDC has collaborated with reputed organizations from all over the world. NSDC has been recognized by UNESCO, UNEVOC, as a member of their TVET institutions. NSDC has empaneled a diverse pool of sending organizations for mobilizing and sending skilled Indian youth to Japan under TITP. The sending organizations will be entrusted with the responsibility of enrolling, training and sending the eligible candidates for pursuing technical intern training in Japan. Till date, 161 interns have started working in Japan and another 500 are undergoing training with 27 sending organizations across 10 states in India.
So among the youths that we have sent as interns, there are ones who are for healthcare also. There are people in agriculture, in construction, in manufacturing, and we actually look forward to expanding the trade that we bring people for internship. In addition, we also have our representative now in Tokyo, just to ensure there is a better connection between the sending organizations and the receiving organization, and we look forward to expanding our operations in Japan.
The candidates are trained in various job categories, including electronic devices assembling work, cultivation, agriculture, machine maintenance, machining, metal press, plastic molding, and care worker. Seeding the growth of a new chapter in collaboration with Japan, India is positioning itself for the transfer of skilled professionals to Japan under TITP.
Iyaku ga aru.
Jisin ga aru.
Nihon no bunka o shiteru.
Sukiru ga aru.